that better. I can write bird's eye view if that makes you feel better. Okay, Spidey will be in the middle someplace. Okay, so the first building is north 30 degrees west. So I'm going to put Spidey in the middle, which is going to be S. And go to the west, and that's going to be B1. Add 1, yes. B1. Okay. Okay, can somebody else tell me from the side view, what do I need for this one? Or not. I'll start with Spidey here. Here's my building. Okay, there's my building. All right. What do I know? Tell me some things I know, please. Oh, play along. Someone please play along. Okay, go ahead. 35 meters high. Great. What else do I know? Go on, go. Yeah. Okay, so I'm saying we're going like this. Okay. I'm going to say it to the top. That's what it should probably be saying. Okay. So there's Spidey. There's the building. What is the shared side between this and the top view? What's the shared side going to be? Yeah. Y. Good. Okay, but where on the triangle? The bottom. Okay, that's the key thing we have to get here. Right. Right, because you can't see the hypotenuse, right? Yeah. Because if you think, I was trying to explain this. I don't know how the best way I can say this. Okay. Let's pretend that you are looking at taking a meter stick from heaven. Okay. So this is how big this meter stick is. It's enormous. Okay. I'm going to change it to a hypotenuse to tell me how much you see. This is a meter long. Do you have any idea how big that meter stick is right now? Right? Like you can really only see this much of it, right? So that's the same logic that we're using here. If you're up from a really, really far distance away, you can't see this at all. You can only see the horizontal component. Okay, that's the logic behind it. Okay, so one more time.
I know like that wide, that.
Well, because we're forcing it to be, okay? Because basically the next triangle is just drawn up on top of that, right? So this is the bottom, and here's my 3D picture, and I hate to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, that's my building, okay, right? So there's your 35. There is 51 degrees.
You're drawing it.
I'm sorry, there's your right angle, okay, right? The side that's connected to the bottom triangle is going to be Y, right? Because that's going to mean that's the top of the side. I will, but I keep going here first. Yes, go ahead.
What did you do with the north and west?
Nothing yet. Oh, whoops. Thank you very much. Good? Great. Okay, let's do the second building. North 21 degrees east. It's going to be something like this, building 2. I call that X. Okay, it's going to be the distance between. For building 2, which I'm going to do in blue, we should have, it's going to be a luxury building, this one here. This is a terrace. Okay, good. This is going to be a 41-meter building. There's Spidey. This one has an angle elevation of 62. And Z at the bottom is going to be Z at the bottom. So let's just different lighting. I'll W if you want. W there. Oh yeah, that's enough. Now are you looking for an 8? Off the base of the building, yeah. We'll leave that at the top. So that'll be different than right? Because we'll assume the base of the building. Okay, great. So I'm going to pause the video. You guys use SOHCAHTOA or sine law and solve for y and w. Okay, and then put that on the big triangle, use cosine law and solve for x. Ready? Go. You have 3 minutes to do it. So, let's finish this question, I'll do it up very, very quickly. I'm gonna say that, tan of 51 degrees is 35 over y. So y is 35 over tan 51. So y equals, I can't do that in my head, I lost it. What does that equal? 8.3, thank you. Tan 62 equals 41 over W. W equals 41 over tan 62. You guys stop, please. Stick with this, please. What does W equal? 1.8. Now, I've been telling this to my grade 9s. I'm going to do this one 3D too. It doesn't have to go in. No. Yeah, it's better now. So that's what we're ultimately doing now.
That also makes sense.
I get it. Okay, so excuse me. We're ultimately looking for x. So I'm just going to solve this. We'll say x squared equals 28.3 squared plus 21.8 squared minus 2, 21.8, 28.3 cos 51 degrees. Now, I was telling this to my grade 10s this morning because we're doing word problems in trig, and we had this question for a warm-up. Actually, was this one where I have two triangles connected together. This is sort of similar to what we're doing. The things are the same. And I told them make sure for connected sides you never ever round. So for this number here, 28.3, please use 28.294623, whatever the in-between step is. And the same thing here, instead of 21.8, you should not round, because these are just in-between answers. Does that make sense what I'm saying there?
It's like you want like all the decimals you can.
Yeah, until the final answer. Final answer you can round, but because these are being used as a middle step, right, don't round them. Does that make sense what I'm saying?
Okay, yeah, that's big numbers.
If your answer is wrong, then yes, you will. If you were 0.3 and minus 0.4, then you will, yes.
Could you instead, when you're substituting values in for the cosine law, can you just use the actual formula?
Yes. The actual formula is what you mean? Yeah, you might, well, yes, you're 35, yes, that works.
It's just remember I just close 4 times.
Will you tell us which points to round to?
I might, I will see.
You don't have to draw by it like you did in 3D, right?
No, you can draw, if you want to, you can draw it this, and this.
Okay.
Right, because people sometimes like this, you can see it better. For myself, I see it better like this, right, but either way works fine. Here's one more tonight. Oh goodness, no, it's not safe by the bell. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to do some identities and a 3D word problem, a few identities. I'll take up 14, whatever those 2 questions the summer wanted yesterday. I'll take those up tomorrow, and then I'll give you some time to work on your assignments. If you're gone tomorrow for that one person, do the next weekend for everyone else. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, thank you.
Can I draw my diagram?
Okay.
I only drew one diagram because I find the other diagram.
I really